Ellii. Let's practice our pronunciation. Today, we're looking at the I sound. This sound is usually represented by this symbol, but it's also known as the short I sound. Can you make the I sound? Follow these steps. First, open your mouth just a little bit. Next, don't stretch the sides of your lips. Then, make a sound in your throat. Try it with me. Are you ready? I. I. Now let's practice a few words with the I sound. Listen and repeat after me. Here we go. In. Sip. Milk. The I sound is spelled with the letter I, as in sip, and milk. Great job. Well done. Ellii.